In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract pages from a Microsoft Word document. Whether you need to separate a specific chapter, send only a few selected pages to someone, or reorganize your content into smaller files, Microsoft Word makes this process simple and efficient. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step so you can confidently extract exactly what you need without affecting the rest of your document. To begin, open the Word document that contains the pages you want to extract. Take a moment to scroll through and identify the exact page or range of pages you'd like to separate. It's important to be clear about the starting and ending points before making any changes. Once you've located the section, place your cursor at the very beginning of the content you want to extract. Click and drag your mouse down to the end of the last page you wish to include. Make sure you highlight all the text, images, tables, and formatting within that page range. If your document is lengthy, you can click at the beginning, hold down the Shift key, and then click at the end of the desired section to quickly select everything in between. After selecting the content, right-click on the highlighted area and choose Copy, or simply press Ctrl+C on your keyboard. This copies the selected pages to your clipboard without removing them from the original file. Next, create a new blank Word document. You can do this by clicking File, then New, and selecting Blank Document. Once the new document opens, right-click anywhere on the page and choose Paste, or simply press Ctrl+V. Your selected pages will now appear in this new file, exactly as they were formatted in the original document. Before saving, quickly review the pasted content to ensure everything transferred correctly, including page breaks and formatting. If needed, you can adjust spacing or margins to maintain the original layout. Finally, click File, then Save As, choose your preferred location, and give your new document a clear and descriptive name. Click Save, and your extracted pages are now stored as a separate Word file. And that's it. You've successfully extracted pages from a Microsoft Word document quickly and safely. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.